In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a mind map using templates in Canva. If you've ever wanted a clear, visual way to organize ideas for a project, a study session, or a presentation, mind maps are perfect. The best part is that Canva makes the process quick and beginner-friendly thanks to its ready-made templates. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can get from a blank screen to a polished layout in minutes. Start on the main Canva dashboard. This is the home screen you see when you open Canva. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll find a menu that helps you jump straight into different areas of Canva. Click on Templates. This section is your shortcut to professionally designed layouts, and it's where you'll find mind map designs ready to go. Once the Templates page loads, find the search field near the top and type Mind Map. Press Enter, and Canva will display a gallery filled with mind map options in a range of styles. You'll see everything from clean, minimalist layouts to colorful, playful designs. If you have a theme in mind, try variations like Simple Mind Map or Modern Mind Map in the same search field to fine-tune what you're seeing. Now, take a moment to browse. Scroll through the results and notice the differences in structure, color, and typography. Some templates focus on a central idea with a handful of branches. Others offer more nodes for complex topics. Consider your purpose and audience. Do you want a bright, eye-catching look for a workshop or something sleek and understated for a report? Also, check for small details like icons or image placeholders if you prefer a visual touch. When you spot a design you like, click it to open the preview. This preview lets you see the layout more clearly and get a feel for spacing, readability, and overall flow. Look at how the branches are arranged, whether the text is easy to follow, and whether the color contrast makes the information pop. If a template includes multiple pages or variations, you'll be able to view those here as well. If it's the right fit, hit Customize this template. Canva will open the editor with your chosen design loaded and ready. From here, you're set to personalize the layout to match your topic and style. And that's it. You've successfully chosen a mind map template in Canva. Start at the dashboard, go to Templates, search Mind Map, browse, preview, and customize. Simple, efficient, and a great way to bring your ideas to life.